Hi, this is Stephanie from the Manlius Library. In this video, I will show you how I made a book page wreath. Your kit contains cardboard, book pages, and some yarn. You will need a hot glue gun, a box cutter, a stapler, or tape. My first step was to draw 2 circles onto the cardboard and cut it out with a box cutter. Then I attached the yarn and I made 2 knots so that it would stay in place. Next, I folded the paper into cone shapes. I made 2 size cones because I had different size paper, and I used the larger ones for the base of the wreath. After forming the cone, I stapled it on the bottom. For my first layer, I glued the cones face down with the hot glue gun. Then I turned the wreath over and added a second layer. I added a third layer, and for that one I folded in the ends to cover the staples. I hope you enjoy making your own wreath. Thanks for watching.